The Eicher Pro 2055 EV is built for larger roads, daily operations, and consistent performance. But the real question is, how long does it take to charge? Let's break it down. This vehicle comes with a 64.5 kWh battery pack. Using a 7.5 kW AC charger, a full charge from 0 to 100% takes around 8 to 10 hours. That makes it ideal for overnight charging. Plug it in after your shift, and it's ready for the next day. Need a quicker charge during the day? With a 30 kW DC charger, you can charge it in about 1.5 to 2 hours, enough to get you back on the road. Now, since this is a commercial vehicle, uptime matters. So, choosing the right charger becomes important. This is where ZEVpoint helps you set up the right charging solution. For flexible use, you can go with a dash portable charger, easy to carry and use wherever you need. If you want better control over your charging, the Aveo Pro 7.5 kW lets you monitor everything through the app. And for a dedicated setup, the Polar Pro wall-mounted charger gives you stable, hassle-free experience. So whether you are managing deliveries or running daily operations, set up your charging right and keep your business moving without interruptions.